Otherwise, could be in a junky one over there. I don't know what the bus times are, but
much less organized and more confusing.
Older people try and cut you in line, old grannies. They asked if I spoke Russian. They would probably ask a couple more questions if I did. Snacks and snacks here. Snacks. We're in the cab in Almaty, headed to the bus station to go to Bishkek. I think it's about a 4-hour ride on the bus. Hopefully, we'll see how long it takes to go through customs and immigration. Might take a little while, so maybe a 5-hour trip, but hopefully it won't be too bad.
We made it to the bus station. Now just to figure out where to go and which bus is going to Bishkek.
Hopefully one of these nice buses. Some of these buses look really nice, so hopefully it's one of those. Otherwise could be in a junky one over there that looks real rattly. I need to see another bus out there, so I think the bus is back here, and we just gotta buy his tickets from that lady, and then just wait 2.5 hours or so. So I went up and I was like, "Can I get 2 tickets to Bishkek?" And she said 2 o'clock. I said no, 12. She said no 12 bus. So there's no 12 o'clock bus, which we were gonna take. There's only a 2 o'clock bus apparently. I don't know what the bus times are, but that's not what I said online, so. But that's the only thing we can do, so I guess we're just gonna have to buy the 2 o'clock and then either sit here and wait or get a coffee or something. But yeah. So we halfway, I think? Halfway here. Stopped at this rest stop. Gotta pay 110 for the bathroom. And there's some snacks and stuff in there. Looks like you can get some food and coffee over there, but we brought our own snacks. So probably recommend bringing your own snacks. Definitely, so you don't have to get some snacks here. There's a little bit of there's a little bit of stuff in there, but there's not a lot. So definitely a good thing we brought our own snacks. Snacks and snacks here. Snacks. So we just left Kazakhstan, and we're in between Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan, headed to the Kyrgyzstan border patrol. It was super quick, it took 9 minutes literally. So right now it's 5:24 on a Sunday. I would have thought there'd be more people. Maybe there's more people going to Kyrgyzstan, but we'll see. The bus dropped us off, which was good because the line for the cars was pretty long. So the bus dropped us off and we just walked right in with all where the people line is, and then we're walking through this tunnel right now to go to Kyrgyzstan. I guess we're kind of in the in-between zone right now. Which, yeah, not too bad. People try and cut you in line, of course, but you just gotta make yourself wide and use some elbows. And usually it's the older people for some reason. The older people try and cut you in line. Old grannies try and cut in line. But
They weren't sure about my passport, so I have a void stamp on the back page of my passport because my last passport got lost. And so they were asking some questions about that, but the customs guy that I was at didn't really seem to speak much English. So I'm not really sure what he said or what he was asking me, but he kept pointing to it and asking some questions, but then he stamped it and it was fine. So not really sure what that was about, but
he didn't ask me anything.
do you have that in your passport?
Yeah, this is
yeah.
Lost one.
So,
I guess he saw mine and then
yeah,
I
so
just thought it was the same.
we'll see on the Kyrgyzstan side if they are interested in that.
Yeah.
All right, we made it through the border, got our stamp. It took about 7 minutes on this side, so not bad at all. I think from start to finish, let's see, we got off the bus at 5:15, and then now we made it through exiting the Kazakhstan border and entering the Kyrgyzstan border in what, 17 minutes.
Yes, pretty quick.
So not bad.
And we're hopefully going to meet the bus on the other side.
Yeah, we might have to wait a few minutes because we were one of the first few off the bus to exit the Kazakhstan side. So
Yeah.
guess we'll just wait until everyone gets through and then the bus will leave, and then it's about 45 minutes left to Bishkek. But yeah, all in all, not bad for a land border crossing. We've definitely been to some that are much less organized and more confusing and take a lot longer. So
Yeah.
17 minutes and we're through.
I think they didn't
Pretty
ask.
painless.
They didn't ask much. They asked if I spoke Russian. They would probably ask a couple more questions if I did. But